Welcome to this step-by-step guide on allowing other answers in your WordPress polls. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to enable this feature so visitors can submit their own responses. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. On the home page, locate the login option in the top right corner and click it. Next, select Continue with Google and choose the account linked to your WordPress site. This ensures you log in securely with the correct credentials. Once logged in, access your feedback section. This area is typically used to manage polls and interactive elements. Click on Crowd Signal or the equivalent polling tool available on your site to open the dashboard. In the Crowd Signal dashboard, look to the top right corner for your account name or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings. This is where you control how your polls behave. Scroll through the settings until you find the option for Allow Other Answers. Toggle this option on to let visitors submit custom answers beyond the default choices. This feature encourages more diverse feedback and makes your polls more engaging. Finally, click Save Options to apply your changes. Your polls will now accept other answers immediately, giving your audience greater flexibility and improving interaction on your site. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled a feature that enhances your WordPress polls, making them more dynamic and user-friendly.